Hi folks, this is a short video introducing careers in engineering, if you're interested in taking engineering with us. It's a big field. I suppose a good starting point is to define what is engineering. What do engineers do? Engineers use maths and science skills to design solutions to problems. The device that you're watching this video on, maybe a tablet, mobile phone, computer, was designed by electronic engineers. The power system that is used to power it, the generation of electricity, the distribution of it to your house, the distribution around your house, was designed by electrical engineers. The house you're in was mostly designed by civil engineers. The cars we use, the boats we travel in, the planes we travel in are all designed by engineers. The food you eat is grown by farmers, but the farmers use a lot of equipment, and that equipment is designed by agricultural engineers. Much of what you use is made of polymers, plastics. The huge manufacturing plants that produce those polymers, those plastics, are designed by engineers. The machines that are then used to form that plastic into everything from pens to even clothing are all designed by engineers. So engineers design solutions. They're problem solvers who use maths and science skills to design solutions to problems. What are the job prospects like in this field? Well, frankly, very good. In the UK every year there are about 125,000 jobs advertised for engineers or engineering technicians. 60% of companies say they are having difficulty recruiting engineers. The demand for engineers is rising, and the supply isn't rising fast enough. Something like 20% of engineers will retire within the next 5 years, and this will further increase the shortfall, the shortage of engineers, which is good for you if you're thinking of going into it, because you can get better jobs and command higher salaries. Studies indicate that engineers are the single most satisfied or happy career professionals in the UK. They're right at the top of the job satisfaction or career satisfaction tables. The bottom, for a matter of interest, are doctors and dentists. For some reason, not the happiest of people. So, engineering is a huge field. I've touched on a couple of examples there. You may like to consider other fields that are rarely considered that you might like to consider are mining engineering, geological engineering. Almost everything around you in the room you're in was either grown or it was dug out the ground. It's getting increasingly difficult to dig things out of the ground, and we want to do so in a less environmentally damaging manner, which is where mining engineering comes in. So, what is engineering? Engineering is about designing solutions. Almost everything that humanity now uses is designed by engineers. The core skills are maths and science skills, but used in an applied way rather than a theoretical way. So engineers are problem solvers. I'll put a link up at the end of this with a couple of things that you might like to have a look at further to give you an idea of the huge range of careers available in engineering. But basically, if humanity makes it, engineers design it. Thanks.